Kawalo Aput mar ji abiriyo madhi bedo ka chiwo paro ewi ni en ng'a manyalo bedo koro Jalup ne mondo chung' godo e yiero mabiro. Raila kokalo e ote mare manosom kod jagoro e Azimio One Kenya migosi Net Mohammed nowalo kanyo kaka Bishop Peter Njenga, Archbishop Zakiuso Kot, Senator Enoch Wambua, Dr. Lolwe Tv, Sheikh Mohammed Halifa, to kod DPS School Moe kaachiel kod Elizabeth May mabende dhi bedo kaka jagoro mar Aput ma kamano. E oteno Raila Odinga nochiwo moko kuom gik ma jogo dhi bedo ka dhi ng'iyo e walo jal mabende nyalo bedo Jalup ne yiero maichano sile mar aboro.
In view of the foregoing, and in consultation with the Coalition Council, His Excellency, our candidate Raila Amolo Odinga, has appointed the following panel members to assist and advise him regarding the nomination of the party's deputy presidential candidate. Number 1, Bishop Peter Njenga. Number 2, Archbishop Zacchaeus Okoth. 3, Senator Enoch Wambua. 4, Michael Orwa. 5, Dr. Noah Wekesa. 6, Sheikh Mohammed Khalifa. And 7, Mrs. Beatrice Askul Moe. The panel shall reach its decision through consensus and shall elect its chairperson. The panel secretary shall be Mrs. Elizabeth Mayo. In undertaking this solemn task, the panel shall be guided by the following core principles: A. Fidelity to the Constitution of Kenya, with particular emphasis on the qualification for nomination as a deputy presidential candidate. B. Eligible candidate must demonstrate in word and deed that nomination to the high office of Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya is a public trust to be exercised in a manner that 1. Demonstrates respect for the people, brings honor to the nation and dignity to the office, promotes public confidence in the integrity of the office, and demonstrates the value that nomination to the office is a responsibility to serve the people rather than the power